Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your fitness tracking with Garmin easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have your Garmin device charged and ready. Download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, allow the app to access your location and fitness data. Pair your Garmin device with the app by following the on-screen prompts. Select the option to sync your device with the app. Navigate to your device settings within the app. Customize your fitness goals based on your activity preferences. Explore the various tracking features available for running, cycling, and swimming. Set up personalized alerts for hydration, nutrition, and workout reminders. Use the Groups feature to connect with friends for motivation. Check the Insights section for detailed analytics of your fitness trends. Create challenges within the app to keep your workouts engaging. Integrate third-party apps for a more comprehensive fitness experience. Regularly review your performance metrics to identify areas for improvement. Set monthly or weekly milestones to keep your training on track. Adjust your goals as needed based on your progress and feedback. Utilize Garmin's training plans that suit your fitness level. Sync the app periodically to ensure all data is updated. Explore community forums for tips from other Garmin users. Stay consistent with your routine to maximize the benefits of tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.